What's up, Mullen fans? Back with another video. Some of you may already know, but if you don't know, I have been transitioning out of the military and starting a new job, so I haven't been posting videos like that lately, but I do try to get one in every now and then. But as you can see, Mullen, well, this is not the updated chart, but Mullen is down about another 10% or so today after the company has been releasing some mixed news, some positive news, some negative news. But ultimately, as you can tell with the stock price, the negative news has more impact than the positive news, which has been a common thing with Mullen Automotive Company. And here lately, it seems like the positive news that has been coming out are just simply trying to mask the negatives that have been coming out. And this is also ahead of the upcoming shareholder meeting to vote on a third reverse stock split in the same year of 2023. As you can see down here on this daily chart that I have pulled up for you guys, there is the 39-cent mark where Mullen bounced off a couple times during a downtrend, and it seemed like Mullen was trying to push up after hitting that level, but then it hovered at 45 cents before ultimately pushing down past that 39-cent support, crashing down to 22 cents. And as you can see, from 22 cents, some buying pressure did start to come back in with updates from David Michery doing interviews and everything. You may say it's shorts covering, you may say it's buying pressure from institutional retail, whatever you want to call it, but I think it was shorts covering from these long downtrends of shorting. And today, with the yellow arrow, you can see that there is resistance there around that mid 30-cent range, and the price is deflecting off of the bottom of that top trend line, which is why Mullen is pushing down further. It also, at the time of this recording, broke 25 cents, so it could very well be trending down to that 22-cent all-time low. Now, the outstanding share count as of record date November 6, 2023 is now around 413 million. This is not good, guys. This is not good because we just recently got an update that it was around 300 or so million, and that was already an increase of about 103 million shares, which was issued to those toxic lenders so they can exercise their warrants, diluting the share price. Now, this makes my skin boil for you guys that are still holding that this is still going on, as I mentioned here in this tweet. And David still gets his milestone awarded shares, and the lenders still get issued millions of shares to exercise warrants. Retail shareholders get what? This down pressure here on the stock price consistently. And someone just commented to me the other day saying that I'm going to miss out. I'm going to miss out on the upwards price movement. You know, maybe I shouldn't have gotten out after that first reverse stock split. If I didn't get out after the first split, just for one, I would be down about 80% more and going into a possible third reverse stock split. And understand this, I'm on retail side. I do want to see retail come out of this. I hope the best for you guys. I hope that the stock price does go up. But unfortunately, hope alone doesn't always do the trick. Hence the reason that I'm not a shareholder, because like I told you guys in previous videos, that I saw a cycle, a bad cycle going on. It looks like it's repeating against retail investors in favor of David Michery, the board of directors, and those toxic lenders. And also to note, I'm not telling you to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock. I'm just trying to let my viewers know my current viewpoint on Mullen Automotive stock, and also that I do think Mullen will potentially be something good later on down the line. I do think the company has been setting up a lot of positive endeavors for the company in their future. And this was the reason that I was holding shares before. But what is it going to come with? Is it going to come with a third reverse stock split? And will it actually be a higher ratio this time? The first one was, I believe, 1-for-2. The second reverse stock split was 1-for-9. Will Mullen Automotive actually try to pump the stock up a little bit more just so that they can do a higher ratio and be able to sustain? Because David Michery did say in an interview in the past that he wants Mullen Automotive to have a Goliath market cap. Is the reason that institutions have been dumping their positions, are they trying to wait till after the third reverse stock split in order to buy back in? And if that's the case, all of these negative turns of events may have been just to get retail out of this company, out of this play. But let me know what you guys think about the state of Mullen Automotive right now. Do you think them leasing a building right now was needed right now, especially when they need to be delivering these Class 1 vehicles? Do you still believe that there is some type of government loan coming down the pipeline for Mullen Automotive to get them out of this toxic financing and allow them to start really ramping up on production and on any other assets they need to acquire in order to put this ship on the right course? Let me know your feedback down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm gone.